Hello dear students, this is Jayanti Naidu from number 1 Air School Gwalior. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 Omana's Journey.
This chapter is from the diary of Omana. Omana was a girl who lived in Ahmedabad, which is a very big city of Gujarat. She penned down her entire journey in her diary. In this chapter, we will know about train journey, offline and online booking of train tickets, about the train tickets, different people who work in railway station, view of railway station, etc. Omana and her friend Radha's family planned for a trip to Kerala. Both of the friends were very excited for the train trip. Omana with her family was going to visit her grandmother and Radha with her family was going for a holiday. Booking of tickets was done by Omana's father. But just 2 days before journey, Radha fell from cycle and fractured her right leg. She was advised by the doctor not to move her leg for 6 weeks. So Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. Both the girls became very upset as they had made many plans for their trip from many days. Radha's mother gave an excellent idea to Omana to write down her entire journey in a diary. In this way, she will not forget anything about her journey and she can pass her time also. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omana found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Let us know how train tickets are booked. Train tickets can be booked offline, that is from reservation counter in railway station, and online also. For offline booking, reservation form as shown in the picture has to be filled. In this form, details like train number, train name, date of journey, class, number of berth, station from which the train has to be boarded, and the destination station, passenger's name, gender, age, etc. details have to be filled and submitted to the counter. Ticket seller fills all details in his or her computer and gives you ticket accordingly. These days, we can book our ticket online too. For this, we must have login ID and password for logging into IRCTC website, that is Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation website. After logging into the website, we search the train as per our comfortability and as per the availability of the seats. Now, here also all the details as we have filled in the offline form are filled on Book Your Ticket available on the home page of IRCTC website. We check all the details and then we confirm our booking. Payment of fare is done by online mode like credit card, debit card, net banking, etc. We get our ticket on email ID and we can get details of the tickets on our registered mobile number. Now let's see what Omana has written in her diary. 16th May, 6:55 am. Omana's family reached railway station. They have checked their names on the reservation chart. The train which they were about to board was started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch, Gujarat. As soon as the train arrived on the platform, there was lot of rush near the coach as people get off and get in and push their luggages inside all from one door. You can see here the picture of reservation chart. A reservation chart is a sheet of paper which displays all the details of the passengers like boarding, destination, station, name of the passengers, age, coach name, berth number, etc. It is displayed on train coaches or on a display board. Reservation chart is prepared at least 4 hours before scheduled departure of the train. The waiting list passengers whose ticket is not confirmed can decide whether to travel or not. Now, Omana's family got inside the coach. They have arranged their luggages below their seats. After some time, train ticket examiner or ticket collector came and checked their tickets. A train ticket examiner or a ticket collector checks the tickets of the passengers with a chart in his hand, and he guides them to occupy their seats. We can identify a TTE with his black coat, black trousers, and a badge of TTE on his shoulders.
This slide displays a train ticket. You can see various details on a train ticket like PNR number, that is passenger's name record. It is actually Indian Railways database record which holds all the journey details of the passengers. The ticket also shows train number, date of journey, number of passengers, ticket number, class, boarding station and station up to which reservation is made, train name, coach, berth, gender and age of passengers, fare of ticket, time of boarding and departure. After the checking of tickets, Omana's Amma and Appa had the lower berths and Omana and Uni had the middle berths. Omana saw many passengers in the train. There were 2 college students on upper berth and a family with 2 children of Omana's age on the other berth. She decided to talk to them later.
Omana started writing diary sitting near the window, as she promised her friend Radha. Her mother opened the tiffin box with delicious food, dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some sweets. Omana's mouth started watering, so she stopped writing and had lunch.
16th May 4:30 p.m. After the lunch, many people slept, but Omana was awake and looking outside the window. She saw fields, small villages, etc. Everything seems to be flying by because of the high speed of train. Now, as the evening arrived, there was some breeze. Sun was slowly setting and sky has become orange. It was a beautiful view, which Omana has never seen in Ahmedabad. Their train crossed the station Valsad. Valsad is also the part of the state Gujarat, although the train stopped for 2 minutes there. But there was so much noise. Vendors were shouting as chai garam chai, batata vada, puri shaak, etc. As you can observe in this picture, there is a small glimpse of the things that are sold at railway stations. So, the things which are sold at railway station are water bottles, soft drinks, tea, coffee, etc. Fruits, sweets, snacks, other eatables, books, magazines, newspaper, toys, keychains, combs, nail cutter, etc. 16th May 8:30 p.m. Now Omana has made some friends. Their names were Sunil and N, who were going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode. They are in Kerala. Sunil has given Omana some storybooks to read. After some time, Omana went to brush her teeth, but there was no water. As sometimes people leave the tap on, so water gets wasted. Or due to lot of crowd, water was consumed, which will be filled in next big station, where train will stop for longer time. In this slide, you can see the location of Gujarat and Kerala on the map of India. And imagine how long was Omana's journey. In this slide, you can see different people who work at railway station. Coolie carries luggage of passengers. Guard gives signal to train to start or stop. Driver drives the train.
TTE checks tickets of the passenger. Railway police protects the passenger from any theft. Cleaner cleans the platform. Ticket seller sells the railway ticket at booking window. Omana's journey still continue. We will know more about it in next chapter, that is chapter 7, from the window. Thank you.